and it seemed like it's not going to come to pass. But I got word from the Lord from you today that God did not forget about you. The Bible says that when David is sitting on the throne, the Bible says he remembers, God, I thank you, what he asked or told Jonathan. He told Jonathan, listen, as long because you helped me, your name, your household, it will never be forgotten. I'm trying to help some of y'all because some of y'all operating in fear, trying to figure out, well, is the pastor going to remember me about my labor? Is he going to do this? I'm here to let you know God did not forget about you. In due season and due time, the Bible says here, David said, is there anybody left from the house of Saul? The man of God came to David and said, yes, David, there is someone he left. This young man is Jonathan's son. He's Saul's grandson. But the Bible says that he was in a place called Lodebar. And the Bible said that he was handicapped. He was crippled because at a young age he was dropped by the hands that was supposed to be taking care of him. The Bible said, David said, listen, I remember what I told Jonathan. What I want you to do is go get him from where he is. But nugget number 2 on the day, some of y'all feel like y'all have been left alone and feel like God has forgotten all about you. You're going through a lowly bar experience where it seems like it's difficult for you to pray. It's difficult for you to see God. But I want you to know God spoke to your leader and told your leader he ain't going to leave you like that. He said, go get them from where they are and bring them to me. I want you to know God told me to tell y'all he's not going to leave you like this. I know it seems like you have been forgotten about, but give God opportunity. Give God time to work through your leader. And if you've done it for Christ, don't worry about it. Your labor will not be in vain. Let go and let God. The Bible says here that David said, bring him. With Lodebar, we went to Lodebar to go get Mephibosheth. Mephibosheth come inside the room. He's kind of nervous now because anytime the king call you, it's not always for good. The Bible says he came down as a servant, but David told him to lift up his head. I made your daddy a promise, and I'm just like God. My word will not return void, but it shall accomplish. Lean on your neighbor. Say, oh neighbor. Y'all didn't say it like I really know it. Say, oh neighbor. God is not going to leave me like this. He told me to tell you that everything is going to be all right. Get targets sometime. Give your pastor sometime. He will take care of you. He will see you through. He will. He promised. I said he promised never to leave me. He promised never to forsake me. He promised. He is not going to leave